Hey YouTube, it's Strange Trippy Review. Coming back at you with another review, guys. But guess what? It's mail day. So guys, as you can see, I got quite a few packages for just starting out. So, let's get right into it, guys. So let's open this one, seeing that I've been waiting for this one for about, I don't know, the last 5 months. So it's something that I ordered off Amazon, obviously, because it's in the Amazon bag, guys. And what did I get? We got some food grade malic acid, finally, to go with the M-berries. M-berries came, I don't know, like 3 or 4 months ago. So, guys, keep an eye out for that video coming up soon. So, one down, guys. It's pretty cool. Wasn't expecting that mail to come. So, these, let's see what this one is. So guys, it's like mail day, unboxing day. Pretty stoked that I got some mail from different hot sauce companies. Probably have a few more coming, guys, to open up for you guys and review them. Said I haven't opened any of these boxes. I just got the mail this morning. So you're seeing it for the first time as I'm seeing it, guys. Make sure there's no notes. Nope. Oh no. Well, from the front of it, of course they would put the sticker over it. Thanks, Canada Post. So this is from the company, hot sauce company, sorry, The Botanist Alchemy. They are from Pickering, Ontario. I'll have a link in my description, guys, where you can find their hot sauces, where you can check them out. So, let's see what they gave us. Little baggie. So, he gave me his line of hot sauces to try for you guys. So, we'll be trying these on another video, but hopefully it'll be soon, guys. This one's, what one's this one? This one is Thai Dragon Chili. Thai Dragon Chili. Ooh. This one doesn't even have a name on it. We'll have to look that one up, guys. This one is Chocolate Glaze Scorpion. 4 flames out of 5. This is the Saswan Jamaican Scotch Bonnet. A nice tinge to it. And this one's the Reaper sauce, Carolina Reaper, 5 flames. Like I said, guys, make sure you check out my videos, like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna be trying these hot sauces in a future video, I promise, real soon. Like I said, links will be in the description. So, what do we want to open up next? This one is to Strange and Trippy Reviews. This one is from Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company. And it is from Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company, guys. Small batch fermentators. So this is another company, guys, that I found on Instagram. I'm pretty much been on Instagram lately, just talking to some like Canadian companies. Seeing that I am Canadian, I want to like try to promote and review as much Canadian sauces as I can. But don't get me wrong, I'll review anything, guys. Especially hot sauce from the States, because they have so many different flavors. Yeah, so let's get into this one, guys. So this is one of their box sets. Heartbeat Hot Sauce Co. So I reached out to the Heartbeat Sauce Co. And they're a smaller company, and they were nice enough to send me these sauces. All I had to pay for was shipping, which is, I don't mind at all, guys, because I know it costs these companies like to ship is crazy sometimes. So I really appreciate that, guys, from Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company. So in their lineup, guys, we have an awesome new sticker. We have the Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company for your orders, and thank you. And it gives their information on the back. But like I said, guys, I'll have all the information in the description below. Let's see what's in the box. We have Scorpion. Now, guys, some of these sauces, and I will leave it in the description, and when I do get to review these sauces, I'll let you guys know which ones were actually on Hot Ones, because this company actually had 3 of their hot sauces on Hot Ones in different seasons, so I'll let you guys know. So that was the Scorpion. Sorry, guys, I don't know if I showed you that one. This one is Pineapple Habanero, Thunder Bay, Ontario. Red Habanero, Thunder Bay, Ontario. They do have a heat scale on the back, guys. I'm not going to get into that today. I'll leave that for the review of these sauces. This is their Louisiana style hot sauce. And guys, I was lucky enough to find the other day when I was out in a couple local shops, I actually found their jalapeno and their blue habanero sauce, or blueberry habanero sauce. So that gives me a few extra bottles, guys, to try of their sauces, and I'll let you know how they are in a future video, of course. That's really awesome. Thank you, guys, from Heartbeat Hot Sauce Company. So last one, guys. It's pretty cool. I really thank you guys that have been sending this stuff. I'm gonna try to do the mail as much as it comes in. Yeah, so let's get right into this box. So this one's Fragile, Handle with Care. This one's from Hayco's Hot Sauce. H-A-I-C-O''S, Hayco's, Ottawa, Ontario. All right. I was actually talking to the owner on Instagram. Really nice fella. Loves doing stuff for veterans. He's a very veteran forward company, which is great. Being that I'm a veteran, it's always nice to support the veterans. My shipping order. Oh, big bubble wrap. Big bubble wrap. So there's this company, guys. So he wrote me a little note on the back. 5 of my hot sauces for you to review. Head to the heat scale and enjoy. Thank you, buddy. I really appreciate this. We've been messaging back and forth. I really enjoy talking to him. I can't believe he actually sent me 5 different bottles. That's crazy. And I didn't even have to send anything out to him. When I'm on Instagram, guys, I'm basically just talking to companies, like I said in the first, and I'm just reaching out, just trying to get my name out there, trying to get my channel out there. I'm not really looking for like them to donate anything right now. If they feel like they want to, that's great. I don't force anybody to send anything. That's not my way. I'm just really happy with these companies that they're able to send me some of these things for me to try. It gives me content, guys. But I wouldn't be able to afford all this, seeing that like I'm a new channel and stuff. Like, it's expensive. Like, and sauces add up after a while. So like I said, guys, really appreciate all the support I've been getting through the hot sauce community, through these companies. It's great. Anyways, guys, let's see what we got in here. I really like these bottles, little Mickey bottles. Hounds of Hell. Hounds of Hell. Stray Dog Brewing Company. Let's see what this one is. Red Dawn Hot Sauce. Heiko Madam. Mustard Menace. And guys, for the final sauce, like I said, guys, I really appreciate everything that you guys are doing. Appreciate all the subs and the likes and all the comments. Huge thanks to Lee Out Loud and John down there. We've been going back and forth with some challenges. Check it out on my channel, guys. I have drink a half-gallon of buttermilk challenge there with them, and I also have a drink 3 cans of soda water in under a minute. So check that out, guys. And for the last one, guys, this is a limited edition Devil's Brew. Well, guys, like I said, keep your eyes open, guys, for these reviews. I'll be making them as soon as I can. I really appreciate everything. I feel like I'm a broken record over and over and over again, but like, guys, I mean it. You're awesome. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, keeping all what you guys are doing. Just past the 100 subscribers. We're working, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I'm up to 123 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next